Define the lifeboat with self-contained supported system. Basically, gas carriers often transport hazardous materials, including flammable and toxic gases. The self-contained support system provides a critical safety measure to protect occupants from the potential exposure. Self-contained support systems shall ensure that when proceeding with all entrance and opening closed, the air in the lifeboat remains safe and breathable. The engine runs normally for a period of not less than 10 minutes. During this period, atmosphere pressure inside lifeboat shall never be fast below the outside atmospheric pressure, nor shall exceed more than 20 millibar or 20 hectopascal. Basically, it is required to maintain the inside the lifeboat parity pressure.